Kitty Kitten, the adventures begin.
Kitten excitedly prepares for her summer shopping trip, checking her purse and list. She enjoys a sunny day, singing along the way and trying on a yellow dress and a fun, remote-controlled toy at the store. After choosing some books and summer accessories, Kitten happily returns home with bags full of new items. Sharing her excitement with her smiling parents.